Namaste. This is Dr. Manisha Anvekar. Welcome home to Spiritual Connect. So, I always begin the program with fire, God fire. उनकी साक्ष लेके ही मैं सारे प्रोग्राम्स चालू करती हूँ. So just close your eyes for a few seconds. You can pray to your God that there should be flow of positivity, peace, good health, and happiness in our lives. May all good energy radiate in our life and from our life. May all of us pass on positivity, peace, joy and happiness to everyone. May this year begin on a positive note. May everybody be healthy and happy. This is the year of survival again, because the condition outside is still the same. Let us pray to the God for all goodness He can give to us. Thank you. So we began doing World Peace event in the year 1992. I started it with just a handful of friends. Just 5 of us started this, and I just wanted to begin the new year on a very positive note. So if we could join and do a small meditation that will initiate peace in our own lives as well as in the lives of everybody like we come across in daily lives, our family, friends and anybody else. Slowly, it started to grow. It became bigger and bigger and bigger. As my practice of spiritual counseling grew, as I started to give meditation classes to more people, my circle of people started increasing. Many of them lived outside India, outside Pune. So we started to do it online. I requested everybody to join this event from their homes, because generally many people go for parties and they stay up late night and they wake up very late, and 8:30 may not be a good time for them to wake up and do this meditation. So I requested them, whenever you can do it for yourself and for everybody. Every single vibration matters. We may not be the ocean, but we definitely are a drop in the ocean, and every drop counts, because the ocean is made up of tiny drops. I told them that this is a meditation that creates synergistic effect. When I do it alone, only my vibrations are there. But when more people join, all vibrations are there. We all are doing the same activity at the same time. So it creates a synergistic effect. That is how the vibrations grow. When I clap alone, there is only clap, there is only sound from my clap. But when 100 people clap together, we can hear a louder sound. This is called cosmic consciousness. This is called Maharishi effect. And this is how we do it. Everybody across the globe joins this event at 8:30 their local time. So that is how for more than 12 hours these vibrations stay in the universe. And because it enhances the vibrational effect, it is there for more than 48 hours in the universe. And every vibration reflects, so it comes back to us, it comes back to everybody in multiples. So that is how we do this event every year. It's a small meditation to initiate peace. Let us do it. I would request you to close your eyes gently and listen to this music and keep your focus on my voice. So take a deep breath. Feel it going inside, through the throat, through your chest, to your diaphragm, and down in your abdomen. You're feeling so good. Hold it for a few seconds if you can, and release it slowly through your mouth. When you release your breath through your mouth, you feel more relaxed. Keep taking small, longer, deeper breaths throughout this meditation. And if you find it easy, please exhale through your mouth. If it is difficult for you, you can exhale through your nose. Just feel relaxed. We are all together in this beautiful meditation today. Just imagine a place that is beautiful. And for that, you don't have to go out anywhere. It's right within your heart. Your heart is a beautiful place. There is golden light within. Just see that light. It is spreading positivity, peace, and happiness. With your next breath, let this light spread to the nearby organs in your chest. Send it to your heart. Send it to your lungs. Send it in the front and to the back. With your next breath, let it spread up and down. Everything is becoming golden. Everything is at peace. Let the golden light travel up to your face, from your shoulders to your arms, in mid-abdomen and mid-back, and spread peace vibrations in all the organs. With your next breath, let it go down further and spread peace in all the organs, and from there to your legs, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, to your feet. Each and every organ is relaxed, is at peace. There is peace all over your body, in and around. Now spread these peace vibrations in the room you are sitting. Feel beautiful golden rays emanating from your body and energizing the environment of your room. These rays are touching everything that is there in the room. The bed or chair or whatever you are sitting at the moment. Now pass on these vibrations to your family members. Bring their faces in front of you and give these peace vibrations to them. See them as golden beings. Pray for their good health. Pray for their peace and happiness. Spread these vibrations to your pets if you have any. See each and every room of your house in this golden light. Every piece of furniture, every plant, and everything that is there in your home. Everything is at peace at this moment. Now spread these peace vibrations to your friends and family and your social circle. You have to go on increasing the circle of these peace vibrations and pass it on to everybody. Visualize the place you live in, your street, your area, your city, state, country, continent, and now you see the huge globe. You are sending peace vibrations to each and every being in this world. Now spread it to all the animals and birds that come to your mind in this very moment. See all the rivers, mountains, plains, vegetation, snow, planets, everything getting drenched in this golden light. There is peace and happiness everywhere. When you are sending these peace vibrations, you are receiving them in multiples as well. Because somebody somewhere is doing the same thing. They are also imagining all the people. They may not see your face. They may not know who you are. They may not know that you even exist. But we are all connected. We are all connected with the cord, the universal cord. And that's how everybody passes on their vibrations of peace to you. So you are giving out peace vibrations and you are receiving them. We have all become a peaceful being. Shed your stress. Shed the worries of the day, of the time. Remove all tensions, all bad vibrations if you have gathered. Remove everything that is negative. We are starting on a positive note, and I want you to remain in this state forever. When you are in peace, you give out peace. When you smile, everybody smiles. From today, whatever may come in your life, you will remember that if there is peace within, there is peace around you. Because the outside world is a mirror image of your inner environment. So be at peace within, so that there is everything at peace in the outside world. The time is still difficult, but yes, this time shall too pass, and it will pass. You will be successful in everything you do. Just remember that you have to go with the flow, because peace does not come only from the meditation. It comes from many other things. Go with the flow. Be positive. Change your thought process to a more positive one, and be happy for no reason. Remain in these vibrations throughout your life. Just feel the peace growing within you and around you. And whenever you feel, you may come back to your normal consciousness. You may open your eyes whenever you feel good. But I request to take a few moments to live in this bliss and begin your new year with these peace vibrations.
I wish you a very happy and healthy New Year 2021. Have a blessed day and year ahead. Thank you so much for joining me.